am back with another DIY video for you, and this one is going to be making homemade lotion, and all it requires is 3 ingredients. I'm currently sitting in my truck waiting for my daughter to get out of student government, but I just wanted to stop by, say hello, and thank you guys for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to give you reminders of when I do upload more videos. So I hope you guys enjoy this one, and I will talk to you kitty cats soon. Thanks a lot, love. See you later.
So our DIY for today is we are going to make some coconut oil based lotion. This only requires like 3 ingredients, and it's going to be whipped. So it's going to be very light and fluffy, and this is actually my first time trying it. So this is going to be new for me and for you, and we're going to cross our fingers and hope that this works. So these are the ingredients. We've got coconut oil, which you know me, got it at TJ Maxx. That's the best place to buy coconut oil, and it is organic. I also got some rosehip oil that already has sparkles in it. I think I got this at Marshall's. And we have some essential oils here, and this you can get at any place like Hobby Lobby, Michael's. I got it in the soap making section. That way it is skin friendly and it won't have anything harsh ingredients or anything in it. A container to put it in. Of course, I'm just going to use this temporarily. And of course, a mixer. Okay, you're going to start by adding your coconut oil in there. I'm just going to do a little bit for now. Then you're going to take your oil, rosehip oil that I have here, and I'm just going to add a tiny bit. Sorry, I'm not doing measurements here, but it's a first trial. Then you're going to add your essential oil. I'm going to do a few drops of that. Then we're going to turn this on, and hopefully we get a good result here. Let me turn this around. And here we go. And it says to beat it for 6 minutes. Now that is whipped. Woo, look at that there. That is some whipped lotion. I do wish it was a little bit thicker, but that's okay. I believe a little goes a long way. But let's just see how it does. Woo, that is light and fluffy. And it smells so good. I got this tropical scent from Hobby Lobby to go into it. Even though summer is almost over, I still want to smell like the islands. So it is a coconut oil mixed with a mango tropical scent. Ooh, that's whipped. And I am very messy. I apologize. But here we go. Here's the little test. Ooh, oh, so nice and smooth. Ooh, I can even see the sparkles in it. I wish you could see. But there are like sparkles from my rosehip oil that I added. And there you go, my little kitty cats. I hope you enjoy. Try it out yourself. And I will see you soon. Bye, kitty cats. Just an update, my lovely little kitty cats. This is the lotion. I have made enough to fit into 2 small jars, and a trick that I learned to make it hard is to put it in the jars and put it in the freezer for about 10 minutes, and then it makes this thicker lotion, kind of like a lotion bar that you'd find at Lush. or somewhere. But there you go. Worked out perfect, still smells good, and hope this helps out, and talk to you guys soon. Bye.